This shelf was supposed to be simple, and honestly, that's probably why it went so wrong. At first, everything was going great. I had the design figured out, started cutting parts, getting things assembled, and for a minute, I thought this was going to be a quick and easy build. And then everything started fighting me. Cuts stopped lining up. Nails started blowing out the sides. Frustration kicked in. A few words may or may not have been mumbled. And little mistakes just kept stacking on top of each other. The more I rushed, the worse the whole thing got. Eventually, I got frustrated enough to throw the thing in the fire and start completely over. And honestly, that's when I realized where most woodworking frustration starts. Not with complicated projects, but the simple ones, because the simple builds expose bad habits fast. The first thing this build reminded me of is that simple projects are usually the most honest ones in the shop. A small shelf exposes everything: bad cuts, rushed measurements, poor setup. You can't really hide mistakes on simple builds. And I think that's why this one frustrated me so much the first time around. I started rushing instead of slowing down. Once I started over, I paid a lot of attention to my setup and just taking my time. And honestly, the whole build started feeling better right from the get-go. That's another thing I've learned the hard way. Square tools make square cuts. A lot of frustration people blame on themselves actually starts with setup problems before the cut ever happens. And then, by the end of the build, the sanding and cleanup work is what really changes the piece completely. That's the part that takes something from looking homemade to actually feeling finished. If you like real shop projects, including the stuff that goes right and goes completely sideways, consider subscribing. There's definitely more of both coming. This thing fought me pretty much the whole way. But that's shop life sometimes. And honestly, the shelf wasn't the lesson. The mistakes were. Because woodworking gets a whole lot easier when you stop fighting the wrong things. And the important part, my daughter loved the trinket shelf. She said it's exactly what she had in mind. So I guess starting over was actually worth it. Until next time, get in the shop and be a maker.